So this is my SM Pro Audio MPM1 Mic Preamplifier. It's just a mic preamp, right? XLM input, some gain, auxiliary outs. So, and we use it on our tour truck, that big old monster right there. And it's had a few problems over the years. I can't blame SM Pro there. I doubt it was ever designed to hammer quite this hard. I've had to reflow the mount there for the XLM cord, the mic cord, once before, and it is currently cracked right there. Now this time it didn't crack off the board, it actually cracked around. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It actually cracked around the top. Okay, so that's one of our reasons why the mic would pop in and out. Then here on the output, the auxiliary output, that pin right there is completely free. And then I was poking and prodding stuff, and I was like, wow, the power in, it wiggles more than I thought it should. Well, it does, because that pin right, big old fat fingers, right there, which is the ground to the chassis, has broken off the board. I doubt I'll be able to flex it enough for you to see, but just trust me, it's broken off the board. I'm a little worried about that one. I think it's pulled up part of the board, which means I'm fairly unlikely to be able to solder it. So yeah, so we beat her so hard. And we've been dealing with popping mics for a little while now, but we beat her so hard there are actually 3 broken solder joints. That should come as no surprise. It's where all the cords attach, though I have made real efforts to make sure that none of the cords hang on the box itself. All the cords are tied up within 6 inches of the box, so you've only got 6 inches of the cords hanging on it, but I think it just shakes and pounds so much. But anyways, if you have got a SM Pro mic preamp and she started to pop and cut out on you, you might pull it apart and see if you've cracked some of these. You know, if you've got a corded mic attached to it and you move that corded mic around a lot, you might have broken these 3. Somebody yanks on the auxiliary cords, you might have broken some of those. That's a new one on me. I wouldn't have thought that's possible. I'm nervous about that one. I'm really nervous I won't be able to fix that. But we'll see. Like I said, I mean, I kind of think it should have survived, but again, I doubt it was ever designed to be in a rolling rock shaker like that bad boy. My microphone, this is the rear mic. This is my, whoever's riding in the truck in the back talking, that's their mic. My mic that I use in the cab, it's called a ducking preamp. I've never been able to find another one because I really like it. The idea behind it was that it would play like a PA for a store music, and then when you talked into the microphone, it would automatically cut the music, and the mic would roll over the top of it, and then when you were done, the music would come back up. I originally thought I could use it where I put my mic in through the mic part and the rear mic in through the music part, and basically have one mic that would always talk over the other. You know, the driver needs to be able to warn people if something's going wrong, so my mic would always be the master. But it didn't work. You would have had to preamp the rear mic to get it to play, so you would have had to play it through this into that, and I just never bothered. We just run these into our amplifier ports. So, but yeah, if you got an XPM1 mic preamp and it's not working right, that might be what's wrong with it.